close this. Let's see what we got. This one sounds like it's running. But this one, on the other hand, does not seem like it's running. Not good, not good. IFCB is off. What else we got? 152. Unit down due to failure. No way. I don't believe that. So, the VFD for the supply fan is right here. And it's in bypass. So, I'm wondering if maybe this VFD was bad. So they put it in bypass just to get it to run. And that looks fucking smoked right there, buddy. But that don't look good, so I'm gonna take that off real quick and just see what we're looking at here. Alrighty, so this contactor was bad, so I basically just transferred all of these down and then replaced the top one so this auxiliary would work. Alrighty, we got everything wired in. Alrighty, got unit back up and running. Got good suction. Yep, fan's running.